Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, often flies under the radar compared to its better-known B vitamin siblings. Yet it plays a central, irreplaceable role in energy metabolism, hormone production, and stress resilience. One of its most important contributions lies in the synthesis of coenzyme A, CoA, a vital molecule that functions like a biochemical linchpin in countless cellular reactions, especially those involved in producing energy and regulating the body's response to stress. Without adequate B5, this coenzyme can't be made in sufficient amounts, which means that everything from fat breakdown to cortisol production begins to falter. Coenzyme A is required to activate and transport fatty acids, which are then converted into ADP, the energy currency of the body. This process is critical not only for fueling muscles and organs, but also for powering the adrenal glands, the body's central command for managing physical and emotional stress. The adrenal glands rely on cholesterol and fatty acids as raw materials to manufacture steroid hormones, particularly cortisol. Cortisol is often dubbed the stress hormone because it helps regulate blood pressure, blood sugar, inflammation, and alertness during moments of acute or chronic stress. Vitamin B5 is directly involved in this steroidogenic process by enabling CoA to assist in both the metabolism of these raw materials and the actual formation of adrenal hormones. When B5 levels are low, the production of coenzyme A becomes limited, which means the adrenal glands cannot respond to stress as efficiently. This may not result in a complete shutdown, but it can manifest as a reduced capacity to adapt, with symptoms like fatigue, low mood, increased sensitivity to stress, and sluggish recovery from illness or exertion. Over time, this can contribute to a condition often described as adrenal fatigue, though the term is more colloquial than clinical. Still, many people with poor B5 status report feeling constantly wired yet tired, irritable, or burned out. These symptoms suggest that the adrenal glands are struggling to meet the body's demands. In addition to adrenal hormone regulation, pantothenic acid also contributes to the synthesis of acetylcholine, an essential neurotransmitter for attention, memory, and muscle function. This makes B5 particularly important not just for stress tolerance, but for mental clarity and physical coordination under pressure. It plays a calming yet energizing role, stabilizing the nervous system while helping the body remain alert and responsive. Fortunately, B5 is widely available in food and relatively easy to obtain from a balanced diet. The name pantothenic itself comes from the Greek word pantothen, meaning from everywhere, reflecting the vitamin's broad distribution in both animal and plant foods. Some of the richest sources include chicken liver, sunflower seeds, avocados, mushrooms, eggs, salmon, lentils, and whole grains. Because it's water-soluble and not stored in large amounts in the body, a steady intake is important, especially during times of physical exertion, emotional stress, or recovery from illness. Pairing B5-rich foods with other B vitamins and minerals like magnesium can further enhance its role in stress regulation. For example, a meal of sautéed mushrooms and spinach with whole grain toast and a poached egg provides pantothenic acid along with B6, magnesium, and a bit of B12, all key players in nervous system function and adrenal health. Similarly, a snack of sunflower seeds and dried fruit offers pantothenic acid and other stress-buffering nutrients like vitamin E, iron, and zinc. Supplementation of B5 is generally not necessary for most people eating a varied diet, but it may be useful in specific cases of chronic stress, intense athletic training, or recovery from surgery or illness. Some integrative practitioners recommend pantothenic acid as part of adrenal support protocols, especially in the form of panathine, a more bioactive form of B5 used in some therapeutic settings. However, high doses should only be taken under medical guidance, as balance with other B vitamins and minerals is crucial for optimal effect. Ultimately, vitamin B5 serves as a quiet but powerful ally in the body's stress defense system. By enabling the production of coenzyme A, it not only keeps metabolic engines running smoothly, but also helps regulate the hormonal responses that allow us to meet challenges with resilience and stability. In the constant interplay between energy, mood, and endurance, pantothenic acid plays a deeply integrative role, one that's worth understanding and supporting with daily nutrition.